Hey guys, it's Michael here, and today we'll look back at Dell's outstanding laptop, the XPS 13 2018.
I remember when I thought I'd make it big, then I realized nobody ever makes it big. Just an ancient kid patiently awaiting bids. I hate the fear, but of course I go and love to try to make it big. But man, I never used to think about the shit.
Dell XPS series, just like the ThinkPad X1 series, pretty much remains unchanged in basic design principles over generations. First, this laptop has a very strong magnesium alloy casing which made its entire construction as rigid as a tank. So far, there are two color options to match your taste, the usual black and silver, and rose gold and white like the sample unit we received. The pink shade is not so noticeable in most lighting conditions, so I don't think I really mind using this as a guide. The interior of the black and silver model is made from carbon fiber, but that doesn't mean that this white version is made from white-colored carbon fiber. This surface consists of layers upon layers of woven glass fibers, where Dell claims it to be far more durable and retains its color for far longer than a usual white plastic surface would do. The XPS 13 series has always been about high portability, though Dell doesn't engineer this laptop to be the thinnest, where comfort and function remains priority. Thanks to its super slim bezels, this 13-inch device is pretty comparable to an 11-inch laptop, perfect to slip into any bag and be used in airplanes. One factor that made this particular unit expensive is the display. The SKU you see right now comes with a 4K 13-inch Infinity Edge display that is not only sharp and having stellar contrast, but it's also a touchscreen. As beautiful as 4K displays are, I kinda think it's too much for a 13-inch screen. Well, a cheaper Full HD model is also available as a cheaper option, but without touchscreen. Being thin is apparently not an excuse to slash all the ports. We have a high-speed microSD slot to the right, USB-C Gen 2 with display output and an audio jack. On the other side, you have Noble Lock, two Thunderbolt 3 ports with power delivery for charging, and the battery indicator which might be a convenience for some people. Also, a USB-A to USB-C adapter cable is included in a box. This XPS 13 comes with both quad-core Kaby Lake R i5 and i7 with an integrated UHD 620 graphics. The model we have here performs as good as you can expect from a Core i7-8550U. It is fast for basic multitasking, even short-term CPU-intensive productivity applications. Since this is a laptop aimed for corporate professionals, I don't think you want to game on this very often, although games like Dota 2 or Rocket League runs just fine. One thing that could have been better is its single-channel 8GB DDR3L memory. If you want the faster 16GB 2133MHz memory, you have to spend even more money. Also, for this price, we should have been expecting a 512GB M.2 NVMe SSD, but no, it still only has an identical amount of 256GB storage as the baseline model. Thermal management here is fortunately great. It consists of dual fans and dual heat pipes in close contact with each other. The whole cooling system is also coated with Gore thermal insulation, which they claim is the same coating used on Mars exploration rovers. It holds well at about 81 degrees centigrade after stress test and feels quite warm on the keyboard, but not a really big deal. Another nice feature of the XPS 9370 is the Windows Hello supporting RealSense camera for face login, making up for the absence of a fingerprint reader. Login is quick and actually convenient. Well, a consequence of the very minimal bezels is that the webcam module has to be placed below the screen. Keyboard is good but nothing extraordinary, and the touchpad works just accurate. The 52Wh battery actually sounds pretty normal for an ultrabook of this class, but since this 4K display needs lots of juice, it usually doesn't last longer than about 6 hours on light usage. On the plus side though, this 45W adapter is very compact. Charging time is around 90 minutes from 20% to fully charged. Lastly, the stereo speakers are not disappointing.
I'm going all around the globe. Rich is international and baby I'm gold. Rich is international and baby I'm sold. Forget about what you heard, just start doing what you're told.
So, honestly, the XPS 13 is still a luxury item, and it's just not easy to recommend ordinary people to buy this model, except if you need more than ordinary. Just like the Spectre 13, XPS 9370 is filled with craftsmanship, providing you with solid experience and customer service. As long as you're willing to spend this much, XPS 13 is a simple and concrete option for highly mobile executives or professionals on the go. The white color option is certainly trying to attract female customers, but that's where it has to face its biggest rival, the MacBook. So that's it on our short experience. If you have your own opinions, don't be shy to comment down below. Please like and share if you like this video, and as always, have a nice day.